break. Oh. Yes! Tournament ulit, no? Play special. Tapos play tournament. So, dito tayo guys sa Amsterdam Night Lounge. So, yung price niya, no? 30k chips. Then, yung entry fee is 5,000 chips. Tara. Let's go. Movie, parang lalaro. So, yun. Ala, 8 ball to, no? 8 ball. Jesus. Break natin, guys. Kailangan ma-break. Oh. Uy. Break lang. Yan. 5-1 na lang tayo. Ang galing ah. Oh, sus. So, quarter final to guys ha. Yehey. Galing ah. Yes.
Wow!